So day one of project trucks. My single cab.
Still a single cab.
Still single cab. Has no front clip on it. Hood, grill, fenders, all that's over there.
It's over there, and up there.
And my extended cab is now going to get donered. This front clip going on that.
It's about to go down. Extended cab is stripped down too. Check this out. No bueno. All right, here's some of the parts we took off of the regular cab. Look at that. Busted up. That ain't no good. That's not supposed to be in that many pieces. Dents and dings and paint. Yeah, we can't have that. We can't. Time to start putting some nice pieces on this thing.